Welcome back to the Travel Storyteller. In this video you can join me on an El Nido boat tour and check out Twin Beach with me. But first we have to get there. From Port Barton we traveled by bus to El Nido, and from El Nido we shared a taxi van to Angela's Inn, our local sleeping location within walking distance of Twin Beach. Twin Beach consists of Calitang Beach and Nacpan Beach. These two beaches are connected in the middle and are both beautiful, but very different from each other. Nacpan Beach is a long and wide stretch beach, whereas Calitang Beach is short and small, with local Bangka boats docked on and next to the beach. Calitang Beach is also the start of our El Nido boat tour.
Hi guys, today we're on tour 8 from Calitang and we're going to see a few spots. And this is the start of our trip today. We're on a boat with 12 and let's see what's up.
We're now in Secret Lagoon. It's not so secret, but it's okay.
tour. But what I would advise you to do is don't only go and see the sites they are recommending, just also wander around.
After this fantastic boat tour, we decided to relax one more day at Twin Beach before traveling to Cebu. This gave me the opportunity to speak to some locals about the village alongside this beach. They told me that originally most locals were fishermen or farmers, and the area only became more touristic about 3 years ago. I absolutely understand why this area is so popular. It is a great place and I would recommend you to go. Make sure to swim to the Harmony Bar, which is hard work, but you will be rewarded with ice cold beer and a stunning view on Nacpan beach. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.